everyone, this is Dr. Drizzle, and today I'm in Pensacola, Florida at Uncle Sandy's Macaw Bird Park. This is my new friend, the emu. Join us as we see some more beautiful birds. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Can you say drizzle? Drizzle? Hi. Hi.
Uncle Sandy's Macaw Bird Park provides homes for all species of parrots that are no longer wanted or unable to be cared for. Birds can easily outlive a human companion. In many cases, a relative has died, leaving behind their feathered friend, and other family members either do not have the time or the funds to take care of them. Sometimes, a military family will be deployed overseas and cannot take their feathered family member. People's lives change. Their jobs may become more demanding. They get married, they have children. They don't want the child to hurt the bird, and vice versa. Single birds bond to their human companions like glue. Sometimes a bird becomes protective of their favorite person and will defend that person. This can create rifts within the family. So in some of these cases, the best decision may be to find the feathered companion a new home. If you're thinking about adopting a bird, make sure you do your research. These birds can live 35 to 40 years on average. You have to be able to make a commitment.
Sweet, sweet, rockin' Robin. Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall oak tree. The wise or loud, the big black crow, flap of their wings, sing and go, bird, go, rockin' Robin. Sweet, sweet, rockin' Robin. Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we really gonna rock tonight.
I would be careful with the glasses. She might take them and throw them.
So we have had a wonderful day here at Uncle Sandy's farm, and our strategy is 25 things you did not know about birds. I want you to do some research in your classrooms. All kinds of birds, those that fly, those that don't, and even this little guy, Sweetie. 25 things you didn't know, and tweet. You like that? Tweet those out at Daisha92. So thank you so much for coming with us on our trip. Dr. Drizzle out.
Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we really gonna rock tonight. Well, the pretty little raven at the bird bandstand taught him how to do the pop, and it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out-popped the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocked.
Okay, ready?
Wherever you are.
Hey everyone, this is Dr. Drizzle, and today I'm at Uncle's. Sorry. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Drizzle, and today, I am at Uncle Sandy's.